Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top ways you can start earning money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or trying to build a full-time income, we've got you covered. The internet offers endless possibilities for generating income with little to no upfront investment. We'll break down the steps, earning potential, and key tips for success in each method. So if you're ready to unlock the potential of the online world, grab your notebooks and let's get started. First up, freelancing. Freelancing leverages your skills to provide services to clients worldwide. Are you a great writer, coding whiz, or graphic design guru? There's someone willing to pay for your talents. The beauty of freelancing is its flexibility. Set your own hours and work from anywhere. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients. Create a strong profile, start with smaller projects, and build your reputation. Clear communication with clients is key. Understand their expectations and deliver high-quality work. Freelancing can be a fantastic way to be your own boss and build a sustainable income stream. Next, let's talk about online surveys. This method won't make you rich, but it's an easy way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Companies pay for consumer insights to improve their products and services. Popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. You'll earn points or small payments for each survey, redeemable for cash or gift cards. Stick with reputable sites and treat this as a simple side hustle for extra spending money. Now let's dive into affiliate marketing, a method with the potential for passive income. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on your platform. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank and get unique referral links. Incorporate these links into your content, earn a commission when someone makes a purchase. Success hinges on building trust with your audience. Promote products you believe in, provide honest reviews, and create helpful content showcasing product benefits. Affiliate marketing requires upfront effort to build your platform and content. Once established, it can become a lucrative source of passive income. Next up, selling products online. The internet has transformed buying and selling goods. No need to be a retail giant. Whether you're crafty, into vintage finds, or exploring drop shipping, there's a marketplace for you. Etsy is great for handmade and vintage items. Set up your shop and connect with buyers. eBay offers flexibility with auctions or fixed prices for a variety of items. Amazon provides massive reach and potential for huge sales volume. Research is key. Find a niche, source products carefully, and provide excellent customer service. Selling online can be a rewarding way to build a loyal customer base. Last but not least, content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram make content creation a viable career. If you love storytelling, teaching, or making people laugh, this could be your ticket to online income. YouTube offers ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. TikTok is great for quick-witted, trend-savvy creators. Monetize through brand partnerships. Blogging is still alive. Share expertise, review products, and generate income through ads and affiliate marketing. Consistency and quality are key. Find your niche, create valuable content, and post regularly. Building a loyal audience takes time, but it can be incredibly rewarding both personally and financially. Thanks for watching. We've covered 5 incredible ways to start earning money online. The best method for you depends on your skills, interests, and effort. The most important thing is to take action. Choose a method, do your research, and start building your online income stream today. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.